Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday. Thanks God, it's Friday. Wala akong pasok bukas hanggang Sunday. Kaya I'm very happy to spend my husband tomorrow. Just tomorrow because may pasok siya sa Sunday. Double pay sa kanya yon. Pero sa akin, no. Hanggang Monday until Friday lang yung pasok ko. At kapag, pero may additional 2 hours ako na job, offer job and TAFE. So, pera din yun, kaya yun, pinasukan ko na din siya. I start on Monday and it's only like 3 days a week lang ang pasok ko ng 2 hours. So, I have a 6 hours job and a police academy plus another 2 hours. So, 8 hours na din yun. So, money na rin yun. May pangpadala na ako sa Pinas. Kauwi ko lang galing sa Target. My workmate dropped me to the Target this afternoon. At nag-shopping ako ng konti lang. Nag-shopping ako ng konti lang. At dahil may nagustuhan ako, so binili ko na siya. At sale na rin. So, ito ko. Ito yung nabili ko sa Target. I bought this top and Target. Sale siya. Dahil itong style na to ay wala na siyang sizes doon sa Target. Pero yung ibang kulay niya, marami pa rin siyang sizes. So, nasa 20 bucks pa rin yung price niya, pero dahil isa na lang siya, this one, I got it for only 10 bucks. It's a half price. So, binili ko na siya dahil size din siya sa akin. So, yun. Binili ko siya. Maganda siya. At yung material niya ay maganda. Malamig sa katawan, I think this one. I love it. May maliit siyang zipper sa unahan. Na pocket. Maliit na pocket siya. This one. Nice. I love it. It's a size 10. So, kasya po sa akin. Usually, my size is 12. But, this one is, I think it's fit to me. So, I bought it. And the other one, sale din siya. Sale din itong kulay na to. Pero yung iba niyang color, hindi pa siya sale. It's 25 bucks, but I got it for 10 bucks only. It's Danny Minogue. The color black with a small circle. This one in the back. It's a nice top. So, yun, binili ko siya. Nagandahan talaga ako sa kanya. At saka, half price na siya. So, yun, binili ko. And the other one top is this one. It's pangbahay lang siya, pangbahay. The original price is 15 bucks and I got it for only 6 bucks. May nakasulat siya sa harapan. It's dream big, have courage, and be yourself. What am I saying? At ito naman, it's dress from Target too. It's sale also. It's the original price is of 45 bucks and I got it for 20. Edition. It's Edition brand. Kulayan siya. Orange. Love it. Hindi ko alam kung ilang this soda malamig na kasi dito man sa Australia. So yan, naka-stock na lang. I-stock muna. Ito nabili ko rin sa Target. I love it. The chopped fruit chips. Bumili ako ng dalawa, naubos ko na yung isa. Ito na yung balat. I love it. Nice one. Chocolate chips. It's only $3.50. And this one, daily moisturizer. I need this one. Yung lotion, yung aking moisturizer, paubos na. So, binili ko ito. Ito ay, it cost, it's $10. $10. I just want to try it. If it smells good. Yeah, it smells good. At pumunta ako sa boutiques at what's the name? I can't remember. Ay, nakabili rin ako ng shoes. It's Alias May. I don't know how to pronounce this one. Alias May. It's a sandals. Pero hindi ko siya kayang suotin ganito kataas. Binili ko lang dahil mura siya. Nasa 100 plus yung original price niya. Pero sinale nila ng $30 only. So, binili ko na talaga siya. Kasi masusuot ko siya sa party, sa kasal ng friend ko. Maybe I can wear this one. I'm not really sure. Dahil sobrang taas niya. Look. Taas. In the other one, napili ko rin siya. Pushing. I don't know. Maybe my camera, I can't read proper. This is a Pushing. The original price is $129. At nabili ko lang rin siya ng $30. This one, the original price is $189.95. Yun, nabili ko siya ng napakamura. Ito siya. It's a tiger. Ang ganda ng kanyang it's parang siya yung likod niya. Parang balat. Nice. But I don't know when I can wear this one too. I don't know. Gusto ko lang mayroon akong nakatago ng mga shoes. Ito lang yung bago kong shoes. Ang dalawa na to. At wala na. And thanks guys for watching.